Welcome to InfoChunks. Ever wondered what secrets your mole might be hiding? Dive into the mystical world of InfoChunk and uncover the hidden truth about your personality and future. Moles are not just random spots, they hold secrets to your character, love life, financial future, and much more. A mole on your forehead can reveal your leadership qualities and potential for success. Moles near your eyes might indicate a passionate and intense love life. If you have a mole on your cheeks, it could signify a charming personality and social magnetism. A mole on your nose might be telling you about your adventurous spirit. Mole on your ears can be a sign of intelligence and a sharp mind. A mole on your neck could be hinting at your communication skills and persuasive abilities. Mole on your chest might reveal your emotional depth and sensitivity. Discover the secrets your moles hold and unlock the mysteries of your destiny with InfoChunks.